Ooh, who is that hot person in that mirror?
It's me.
Yeah, no.
You got fuzzy in your hair.
Where? Oh, I know. I'm just a fuzzy
Cool
person.
like that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Ha. Oh, that was an. Oh, jeez, Sarah. Look at
Sorry. Just had to start jumping.
Ooh,
I'm really thirsty. Because it's like hot in here. I think I'm gonna die of heat.
I'm sorry, I just make it so hot in here, Sarah.
Okay, can we play more?